Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to restore files from a specific commit in Git. Let's start with the most common task, restoring a single file. This is useful when you have made a lot of bad changes to a file and you just want to get back the version from an older, working commit. The command for this is git restore with source flag and commit hash, followed by the path to the file you want to restore. For example, if you want to restore the file styles.css and source directory from a specific commit hash, you would run git restore source equals commit hash followed by source/styles.css. This command grabs the old version of that file and replaces the current broken file in your working directory. Your file is now restored. But what if you want to restore all the files from an old commit? We will look at that next. Next, what if you want to restore not just one file but the entire project to see how it looked at an old commit? This is a very common task for inspecting old code. The command for this is git checkout, followed by the commit hash. When you run this, Git will warn you that you are in a detached head state. This sounds scary, but it just means you are no longer on a branch. You are temporarily floating in your project's history, looking at an old snapshot. All your project files will instantly change to match how they were at that old commit. You can look around, open files, and see what the project was like. Do not make any new commits here. When you are finished, you just run git checkout, and your branch name, for example, git checkout main. This brings you right back to the present. All your new files and commits will reappear, and you are no longer detached. This is a safe, read-only way to view history. But what if you want to permanently go back and rewrite history? We will cover that in the next section. Finally, let's look at the most powerful and dangerous method. This is not for viewing history. This is for rewriting history. Use this command only if you want to permanently destroy all commits that came after a specific older commit. The command is git reset with hard flag, followed by the hash of the commit you want to make your new reality. For example, if you have commits A, B, C, and D, but you realize C and D were terrible mistakes and you want to go back to commit B, you would run git reset hard and then the hash for commit B. Git will permanently delete commits C and D from your branch history. Your project files will be instantly overwritten to match commit B. This is a destructive action. You must be very careful with this command, and you should never use it on a branch that you have already shared with your teammates, as it will rewrite the public history. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about new content. A link to the code and the markdown file is included in the description section below. See you in the next video.